So we are doing a problem and we'll find out how much profit should be transferred to profit and loss account in each of the case. So first is contract price is given 8 lakhs, so I have written contract price 8 lakhs and total cost incurred is how much? 4 lakhs, that I have written here 4 lakhs, and cash received is how much? 80%, so I have written cash received is 80%, and he is asking you to find out how much notional profit should be transferred to profit and loss account, that he is asking. So case number 1 he has given value of certified is given 1,90,000, cost of work on certified is 2,40,000. Okay, so we find out how much profit should be transferred to that contract notional profit, how much notional profit should be transferred to contract price, sorry, to that profit and loss account. So first we'll find out percentage of work certified to contract price. Why we are finding out work certified to percentage of work certified to contract price? See here, value of work certified is always based on contract price, so we'll find out. So how to find out? The formula very simple, work certified divided by contract price. This is a formula to find out how much work has been complete, work certified percentage. Okay, so in this we are having 1,90,000 divided by contract price is 8 lakhs into 100. So 1,90,000 divided by 8 lakhs, I am getting into 100, 23.75%. So what our rule is saying, if it is less than 25% of contract price work certified, no profit is transferred into where? Profit and loss account. Entire profit should be transferred to reserve. Okay, done. Actually, next is what? Case number 2. So no profit, I am writing here, no profit is transferred to profit and loss account. Right, next case number 2. What is saying case number 2? Value of work certified is 2 lakhs. I am writing shortcuts. 2 lakh is value of work certified. Work uncertified is how much? 2,60,000. Okay, so we'll first of all find out profit. How to find out profit? How much is cost incurred? 4 lakhs. So first of all we'll find out profit. How to find out? Notional profit equal to revenue minus cost. What is our revenue? Work certified plus work uncertified. Okay, minus cost. What is cost? We have total cost. Total cost. So we have work certified is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. Uncertified is 2,60,000 minus work uncertified is total cost is 4 lakhs. So we are getting 4,60,000 minus 4 lakhs. How much is profit? 60,000 is profit. Which profit? Notional profit is 6 lakhs. 60,000. Got it? It's very easy. How did I find out? Notional profit, revenue minus expected cost. Revenue is what is our revenue? Work certified plus work uncertified minus cost. Total cost is given. So work certified is 2 lakhs. Work uncertified is 2,60,000. So put together 4,60,000 minus 4 lakhs is total cost. 60,000 we are getting is notional profit. From 60,000, how much should be transferred to profit and loss account? And how much should be kept as reserve? This is a big question that we want to find out. So we have a formula. First we'll see, is it less than 25% of work certified? Value of work certified is less than 25% of contract price or more than, we'll check. So how to check? Work certified, percentage of work certified to contract price. Formula we know, work certified divided by contract price. Yes, so work certified is how much? Value is given. How much is the value of work certified? 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs divided by contract price is how much? 8 lakhs into 100. So 2 lakhs divided by 8 lakhs into 100. We are getting how much? 25% we are getting. So 25% means it should be equal. What he says, if it is equal to or more than 25%, equal means 25%. How much we have to transfer? 1/3 of notional profit into cash receipt divided by work certified. 1/3. Right? Actually. So let us solve. What he says, 1/3 into what? 1/3 into 1/3 of what? Notional profit into work certified divided by cash received. So 1/3 into 60,000. How much is work certified? 2 lakhs divided by cash received. How much is given? He given percentage, right? Percentage 80%. So 2 lakh divided by 80%. Wait, we are getting how much? 80% we are directly taking. Cash received 80%. Work certified by cash received, right? The formula is work received. Cash received by work certified. Sorry. Cash received by work certified. I have done mistake here. So let me write this here on the other page. Notional profit into 1/3 into cash received by work certified. 2 lakhs to 80% divided by 2 lakhs. By 2 lakhs into yes. So notional profit is how much? We got notional profit is 60,000 into 1/3 into cash received. We don't know, so we are writing 80% of cash received will be always of work certified. Divided by work certified. Okay, 60,000 into 1/3 into 80% of work certified. How much is work certified? 2 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs. 60,000 into 1/3 into 80%. 2 lakhs is 1,60,000 divided by 2 lakhs. Yes, I can directly write here, but I am showing you how to take cash received. How to take cash received? Cash always received based on work certified. Yes, the contractee will receive see the work certified, and based on that he will give cash. So how much is given? 80% of work certified is cash received. To find out cash received formula, 80% of cash received is 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 divided by 2 lakhs. So I am getting 0.8. 60,000 into 1/3 into 0.8. So 60,000 into 1 divided by 3 into 0.8. I'm getting 16,000. 16,000 will be transferred to profit and loss account. So from 16,000 will be transferred to profit and loss account. from 60, if 16 is going to profit and loss account, how much is left over? 44,000. That will be kept as reserve. Got it? So this is important. This formula is important. How we get 1 by 3? Because work certifies percentage to contract price is 25%. On 25%, we have a formula: notional profit into 1 by 3 into cash received. Again, cash received we don't know. We found out. How did we find out? 80% of work certified divided by work certified. So 80% of work certified is 80% of 2 lakhs is 1,60,000 divided by work certified is 22 lakhs. And 60,000 into 1 by 3 into 1,60,000 divided by 2 lakhs, we are getting 16,000. So from 60,000 notional profit we got. From the 60,000 we have to transfer 16,000 to profit and loss account and the balance to be reserve. Okay, so simple. This is important. Once you know how to find out this, how much notional profit, how to find out notional profit, and how much to be transferred to profit and loss account, the balance will be transferred to reserve. That's it. This is the main thing where you have to focus. This is a concept. Once you understand this concept, you can solve any problem. Okay, let us go to the case number 3. One more case we'll understand. Case number 3, what is saying? Value of work satisfied is 4 lakhs. WC is 4 lakhs. Work uncertified is 1,20,000. Okay, so first we'll find out what? Notional profit. So I'm writing here notional profit. Formula we don't write: revenue minus cost. How much is revenue? We know revenue formula. What is revenue? Work certified plus work uncertified minus cost. So how much is work certified? 4 lakhs plus 1,20,000 minus how much is cost? Cost is same. Cost will be same for all the examples. 8 lakhs. Sorry. Cost is how much? 4 lakhs. Cost is 4 lakhs. Okay. So 4 lakhs plus 1,20,000 is 5,20,000. From 5,20,000 you take 4 lakhs. How much is your profit? 1,20,000. Again is a question. From 1,20,000, this is notional profit. How much should be transferred to profit and loss account, and how much should be kept as reserve? This is a big question. Okay, so now we have to see how much work certified, percentage of work certified. So next we have to see work certified percentage. This will be based on contract price, right? So percentage work certified equal to work certified divided by what we have to divide? Contract price. So work certified is how much? 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs divided by how much is work certified? 8 lakhs. Sorry, contract price is 8 lakhs into 100. You write 100 into 100. So 4 lakhs divided by 8 lakhs into 100, you are getting 50%. 50% is work certified percentage. So what we are saying, if it is equal to 25% but less than 50%, so no, we will not come here. If equal to or more than 50%, here we have to say is equal to 50% or more than. So it is equal to means how much profit you have to transfer? 2/3 of the notional profit you have to transfer. So we are doing calculation here. This is third point. Profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Which profit is this? Notional profit. Notional profit to be transferred to profit and loss account equal to how much? So we have formula: profit and loss account. Profit equal to notional profit into 2 by 3. Why 2 by 3? It is more equal to 50% into cash received by work certified. Okay, so notional profit, how much we are getting? 1,20,000 into 2 by 3 into cash received is how much percentage? 80%. So this is 80, cash received is 80% of always work certified divided by work certified. In this problem he has not given cash received, so all the time what we are taking work certified. So equal to 1,20,000 into 2 by 3 into 80% of how much is work certified. In this problem we have, in this bit, work certified is 4 lakhs. So into 4 lakhs divided 80% into 4 lakhs into divided by 4 lakhs. Okay, so 1,20,000 into 2 by 3 into 80%. 80% of 4 lakhs is 4 lakh into 80%. So we are getting 3,20,000 divided by 4 lakhs. 1,20,000 into 2 by 3, 3,20,000 divided by 4 lakhs. Again you are getting 0.8. So 1,20,000 into 2 by 3 into 0.8, 64,000 you are getting. If you do calculation, you will get 64,000. So from 1,20,000 you transfer 64,000 to profit and loss account. From 80,000, so 1,20,000 minus 64, you are getting 56,000. You keep as reserve. Got it? So simple. It's easy, right? It's very much easy. First you have to find out what? Notional profit. Now how to find out notional profit? Revenue minus cost. Can I say this is credit total and this is debit total of contract account? So you are getting profit is 4 lakhs, 1,20,000. From 1,20,000, how much we should transfer to notional profit and loss account? How much should transfer to reserve? So profit and loss account, how we are getting? So to this we have to see the work certified percentage on contract price. Okay, so 4 lakhs into 4 lakhs divided by 8 lakhs into 100%, we are doing 50%. So 50% means we have a formula for 50%. What to do? Profit and loss account, profit should be transferred to profit and loss account, should be notional profit to 2 by 3 into cash received divided by work certified. Cash received is not given, so I am taking percentage of work certified. Always remember, cash received will be percentage of work certified. So I have substituted the values. I got 64,000. It means from 1,20,000 is that 1,20,000, 64 should be transferred to revenue profit and loss account, and the balance should be transferred to reserve. Okay, easy. It's easy, right? Yes. So one more example here we are having. I want you to solve that. So I am sending a pic of this. Only bit number 4. 1 to 3 I solved. 4th till 4th you solve. Till 4 bits you solve. Okay. So I am taking one question from the textbook. Here we are doing one example. One example we'll do from the textbook. Then we'll slowly move further. Girls, I know the exam date, your exam will be in the month of January. Don't worry, the costing syllabus is very easy, and all problems are similar, but once you should understand the concept and the language, then slowly we'll finish off. And don't worry, by the time exam comes, our entire syllabus will be completed. Let us do a second example. What it says: calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account from the following particulars relating to a contract. Contract price is given 16 lakhs. Cash received from the contract. See, cash received will be always based on work certified percentage. 70% of work certified. We have to find out. 49,000. Cost of work not yet certified means cost of work not yet certified means what is this? This is uncertified. We have to find out certified. Work certified we have to find out. And notional profit is given 1,20,000. Profit is transferred to 28,000. So we'll see how to find out this. So in this problem, what is not given? Work certified is not given. So how to find out work certified? We have formulas for work certified. Here, cash receipt divided by cash receipt percentage of work certified, or contract price into work certified as percentage of contract price. So has he given percentage of work certified here? Has he given here work certified percentage? No, he has not given. He has given what? Yes, he has given contract price into work certified percentage of contract price should be there. It is not work contract price. It is of cash received. See, 70% of work certified. 70% of work certified he has given. So being of cash received. So which formula we should apply? We should apply the second formula. Cash received divided by cash received as percentage of work certified. So we'll get value of work certified. So in this problem, first we have to find out work certified. So page number G9, example number 2, we are solving. First we have to find out work certified. How to find out work certified? We have other formula. That formula we are using, cash received divided by percentage of work certified to cash received, right? So how much is cash received is given here. Wait, something is missing here. Not missing, let me work on this. Okay, so he has given contract price 16 lakhs, cash received he has given 70% of work certified, that is 4,90,000 is given, right? So cash received is 4,90,000 divided by percentage of work certified. How much he has given? 70%. So you do 4,90,000 divided by 70%. So work certified is how much? 7 lakhs we are getting. 7 lakhs is work certified. So you have to do what? You have to find out notional profit. Notional profit. How will find out notional profit? Revenue minus cost. How to get revenue? Work certified plus work uncertified minus